one interesting thing I would like to ask you that if you are invisible, then what would you do first?
Oh, that is such a good question. What would I do if I was invisible? There are so many things.
So what would you do first? Like
Well,
eating chocolate or like that, or entering?
I could be really evil with it, but what would I do? Here's what I would do. I would sneak into a local dog shelter or animal shelter and play with all the animals.
Right?
Yeah, that's what I would do. I'd go play with all the animals. Yeah.
Me too.
Hmm?
Do you love animals?
Yeah.
Me too.
Yeah. So, do you have any pets?
No, actually I have no pets, but I feed some local dogs in my locality.
Good, really good. Yeah. Like, do they live on the street or just?
Yeah, they are. In winter we are sheltering them in my house
Yard.
On the other hand, in summer they are. Sometimes we are sheltering, or sometimes they are living in the roadside.
Oh, that's lovely. That's really nice. Yeah, that's really good. Yeah.
Do you have any pets?
Yeah, we have 2 dogs, my family.
Oh,
yeah.
Lovely.
I can't see them at the moment, but
Problem. Where does your parent live?
They live in Manchester.
Oh, Manchester.
You know Manchester, right?
I know. I am a cricket lover and also football lover.
Yeah. Okay, so you know Manchester. Okay. Yeah.
Who is the best player according to you? Who is the best footballer?
I actually really don't like football.
Okay.
Because I'm from Manchester and everybody's so like football mad in like big cities in the UK, I just kind of don't care that much. Yeah.
So, like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to read and I bake.
Oh, bake. You love baking?
Yeah, I make a lot of cakes.
Oh, so when did you bake last time?
Probably a few weeks ago, because I don't have a lot of money, so I can only bake when I have money. So, what did I make? I made chocolate banana bread.
Oh,
yeah.
You love chocolate?
Do
you love chocolate?
Yeah, I think so. I think so. Yeah. I try not to. Yeah.
Attracts you. You try not to be more chocolatey, but it happens naturally.
Yeah, like I unwillingly enjoy. Yeah, my sister told me that it can be bad for your skin if you eat too much chocolate. So I was trying to not eat it, but I ate a huge chocolate bar yesterday. So.
But circumstances makes you to get more chocolate. Circumstances makes you to more chocolate.
Yeah, like when you get bored. When I get bored, I eat a lot of like sweets and stuff. So.
Okay.
We have
running out. So you do elegant.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I've heard that. Oh, that's funny. Okay. Yeah, it was lovely to meet you, and I'm sorry about the camera not working. That's
Okay, no problem. So see you soon.
Yeah, see you soon. Lovely to meet you.
Yeah. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.